In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Klarna app for Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Klarna integrated into your Shopify store, allowing you to offer flexible payment options to your customers, helping to increase sales and customer satisfaction. Let's dive right in. Begin by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll find a panel with various options. Locate the one labeled Apps. You're going to click on this option. The Apps section is your gateway to enhancing your store's functionality, and it's here that you'll be able to find and install the Klarna app. Once your Apps section is open, you'll need to search for the Klarna app. Simply type Klarna into the search bar, and the app should appear in the results. Click on the Klarna app to view its dedicated app page. This page offers a wealth of information about what the app can do, including reviews and other essential details which might be useful if you want to learn more about how Klarna can benefit your store. Now, to proceed with the installation, look for the Install button. Clicking on this button will initiate the installation of the Klarna app onto your Shopify store. It's a straightforward process that doesn't take much time. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to move on to the setup process. Rest assured, Klarna has designed their setup steps to be user-friendly and easy to follow, ensuring you won't need any specialized technical expertise to get things running. During the setup, you'll be guided through the necessary configurations to fully integrate Klarna as a payment method in your store. Follow the prompts as directed. It may involve linking your Klarna account with your Shopify store and agreeing to any necessary terms and conditions. Of course, each step along the way is clearly explained. And should you encounter any challenges, Klarna's robust support and training resources are available to provide assistance. Once you've completed the setup, you're all set. Klarna will now be an active payment option for your customers, enabling them to choose flexible payment plans at checkout. This feature not only enhances the shopping experience, but also can significantly boost your conversion rates by accommodating customers who prefer or need to spread out payments over time. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully added and set up the Klarna app for Shopify. By integrating Klarna into your store, you've taken a valuable step towards enhancing your customers' shopping experience. Remember, providing flexibility at checkout can be a decisive factor for many shoppers, driving customer loyalty and boosting sales in the long run. Thank you for following along, and happy selling with Shopify and Klarna.